Hi, I missed all of you guys and thanks for the constant support and love. Welcome to Kajal Cosmetics. Today we are going to formulate a hydrating mist. I have people watching all over from the world, so comment down where are you from. I'm from India and here it is so hot and humid. So we are going to make a hydrating mist. So this mist is easy to make, you only need minimal ingredients. So I am planning to use 3 kinds of humectants here. One is hyaluronic acid solution, next is propylene glycol, and third one is glycerine here. I recently get a lot of DMs to make simple and easy formulations. So this is one of the easy formulation you can make at home. So I get a lot of questions. What is mist? What is toner? Tell me the difference. So there is nothing much big difference here. Toner and mist, most of them work same. They are hydrating in nature, but it also depends upon what you formulate and how you formulate here. There are different types of toners available in the market. If you see like exfoliating toner, brightening toner, milky toner, these are some kinds of categories and that comes up with market story. Mists are something that is hydrating, mostly focused on hydrating kind of stuff. So you can see the hydrating ingredients like glycerine, panthenol, propylene glycol, betaine, something that is refreshing and hydrating. So the mist comes mostly in the spray format, but toners comes in different formats like toner pads. You can use it as a mist spray. You can see some toners also have a little bit of texture. So that also depends upon what you want and how you wanted to formulate the toner or mist formulation. I hope this confusion has cleared out now. I wanted to add aloe vera powder because aloe vera is kind of a soothing and I'm recently loving from my recent aloe vera gel formulation. So if you not watched the aloe vera formulation, go and check out, or else I will share the link here. Learn how to make aloe vera gel at home. And this is our aloe hydrating mist ready. So let's pack it into a spray kind of a bottle and you can use it. After a few minutes, the aloe vera powder got dissolved. Now you can test the pH and pack it in a spray type container. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment down below, and happy formulating.